Thanks for stopping by and wrapping up the Saturday, October 12th video series for game day tomorrow, football Sunday or NFL Sunday. You can see here in the picker, I have 309 games loaded in the AWS system. The AWS system I'm talking about through this interface here, or talking to that system, is a calendar server in which we've built on AWS, where I'm talking through it via this event organizer dashboard called Calendar Snack. You can go get a Calendar Snack and check us out there. That's free app, and if you want to send bulk and try us out for sending out a calendar invite to an email list, you're welcome to right there. If you need to demo something larger, we have this running on AWS with AWS PinPoint if you are a quote-unquote master marketer and sending out millions of emails. You can send out millions of calendar invites. So let's get the demo going here. You'll see that there's 181 games left for the year based on October 12th as I scrolled up there. And then I'm drilling into football game day tomorrow, Sunday. For Sunday, I'm looking for a particular game. That's Crazy Chat GPT, Lions at Cowboys, and Lions at Cowboys is right here. So as I go into the Lions at Cowboys, what I'm going to do is just show you our little search head we built here that does a nice job across the S3 and DynamoDB buckets. If you look at it, I've not sent out any calendar invites yet. So here we go. We're going to go ahead and send a calendar invite out to the Lions game. How I do that here for the demo, and show you how I'm talking to our API gateway. Our API gateway is a high-performance API which we built that can send out millions of calendar invites using AWS technology. So as I scroll down, I'm going to make sure I get this right. We're looking for the Lions game, and I'm just going to scroll down here on the 13th, and here we are, Lions at the Cowboys. And when I scroll all the way down here in the picker of 300 for the demo interface we've built for AWS, you can see it's preloaded Lions at the Cowboys. That's tomorrow 2:25. I'm going to go ahead and send the calendar invites out. So what it's doing now through this Calendar Snack interface is talking to our API gateway number 3. The API gateway tagged as invitation sent, excuse me as I scroll back, is talking to a picker. I picked it, I uploaded the list of 11, and now we're talking to the single invitation send email address availability in this interface. So the data is bulk uploaded to there with the UID for that particular game, and then we send it out real time. And what we're doing is reassembling a calendar invite out of the Dynamo database using our lambdas. And that lambda is a high performance lambda that's actually talking to the raw API for SES, or simple email service, and we're assembling a calendar invite for that game on the fly. Now when we send it out via the API gateway, we're collecting the calendar receipts, which you'll see right here in the next part of the demo. So that was for the Lions game for the 13th. I'm going to scroll all the way back up here in my interface. I'm going to go to Get Reports. You can see that I sent out 600 calendar invitations, 680 in particular for NFL this year. I've collected 245 receipts, or RSVP receipts, from the calendar clients themselves. And when I drill into 181 and go to 13 in particular, I'm looking for the Lions data set. So under the Lions data set, sorry for clicking around, I'm just going to type in the Lions and Lions at the Cowboys. You'll see that I sent out 11 so far calendar invitations, and that calendar invitation went to a couple different people. It went to 11, but for the demo, you'll see that Greg here received one. He's going to say yes. I'm going to go back, and I'm going to Mandy. Mandy is active here also in her Google email, and she's going to say maybe. So when you go back to the data set here, excuse me, I refresh this, particularly for the Lions at the Cowboys, you'll see that there are 2 here that have been collected calendar receipts from our data set out of the S3 buckets, and then we store those long-term in DynamoDB for calendar analytics. So back to the demo here, you'll see that those two have been collected, but how do we get granular data for those people that have RSVP'd for the event? Well, I got to summon that via a little click button here in the interface. I've requested that come to the organizer who signed up with us to the service, and that person was footballschedulesoutlook.com. I'm going to click the review button. You'll see that it came in at 138. It's 139. So that's the correct email report back to the organizer. And you'll see that Mandy was tentative and Greg has accepted. Thanks for stopping by.